Today, we are going to be unboxing this. What's in there is the Mi Watch. As you could see there's some big lettering there telling you what it is. It's a nice size. The reason why I got this was, it was the alternative to any other mass producing manufacturers, i.e. Apple or Samsung. It's just an alternative to them, see what the competition performs. Now, the main clincher while I was looking for alternative smartwatches was the battery life. I didn't want to be the person that go to bed every night, make sure I put my phone on charge, put my laptop on charge, you put your smartwatch on charge. I didn't want to be one of those. I wanted a battery that would last quite long. Now, when you look at the Xiaomi battery life, the Mi Watch, now they say that on a normal use, I don't know what they've defined as normal use, putting it out there, this is not my normal use, this is the website. They say the battery on this will last 16 days. That's 16 days. They also put on alternatives, like you put on for long use, it would be 22 days. I assume that's switching off some certain features, not having certain features on, like the Bluetooth or the GPS as long as possible, or when you're not working out. They have got another thing that they claim, that the battery life, if you're outdoor and you're using the GPS function continuously, you would be getting usage of approximately 50 hours from this. So if you are running outdoors for 50 hours, this battery should not last. Just to shout out anyone who's planning on running 50 hours, let me know if this will be something you will try out and continuously wear for the 50 hours. I assume it's 50 continuous running hours. Who will do that? Most probably professional athletes, ultra walkers, ultra distance runners. I think from the top of my head, the London Marathon ran between 4 to 6 hours, so someone doing 8 times that is 26 times 8, about 208 miles. That is the usage on this thing. This is why I wanted to get one of these to test it out and see how it is. As I've always said, when you look at Xiaomi products, the specs are just ever increasing and the prices are always here. Now this is on the market for approximately £140 I last checked, and that is very good price compared to when you compare it to the Apple Watch Series 6 or you compare it to the Apple SE. The Samsung alternatives range from between 300 to 400. I haven't looked at the prices of Garmin, I won't be saying anything about those, but again, Garmin and the other ones are specialist watches, so I don't know, would you class that as a smartwatch? Yeah, you probably would. They have entered that for or market, so to speak. Now the other features on this are, it does have a heart rate monitor, so you can monitor your heart rate. Obviously it's a bit self-explanatory. You could also monitor your blood oxygen levels as well. You've got the GPS tracking. You can also track your stress levels, your sleeping patterns and your exercise. So there's a host of features there to be explored. The other feature that I did like of this, apart from the battery life, is it only weighs 32 grams. This is incredibly light. To be honest, I am going to put it on a weighing machine to see if it weighs 32 grams. I don't think they're telling a few porkies there, but that's enough of rambling on about the features. Let's move straight on to the unboxing. I'm doing this because we want to do a transition, but let's see. The unboxing of the Mi Watch is nicely boxed. Now it looks like I will have to do it from here. this how you open it? Nice, smooth. Okay. First out the box. There's a warranty notice. Just getting that out. And loads of different languages. And the watch itself. Let's take that out. We'll come back to the watch. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay. This is the bottom of the box. Oh, it's like a little hidden compartment. So you have that. I'll take that, that's the user guide. Let's look at this first. Seems to be the charging for it. I don't know, I probably don't agree with the length of the wire. I personally think they should give 2 meter wires as standard. But again, at least it's included. Put that away. And that is the user manual. How to use. It's in loads of different languages. Now, the first thing I have noted here, is just the weight. The weight is incredibly light. It's incredibly light. It's a rubber band. Is that metal? That is a metal feel. So it is very good. I take that. Remove before use. I assume that this is automatically kicks the battery in. Oh, I don't like that. Can you see that there? It's like a screw sticking out of the strap. So look into that, what that is. And that isn't. Oh, it could be for changing the straps. That is nice. It's a nice little feature there. And that is on both sets. There's one and there's one. And that's all there really is for it, actually. So thank you for watching. Hope to catch you soon.